GreenBot is a pocket-friendly remainder which carries the pills and also acts as a lifesaver during emergency situation. We are planning to develop the GreenBot to which it can eliminate all the worries about medical intake and stocking the same. We can link the GreenBot through medical websites like Medcard through which the medicine can deliver to us. Besides the classical pill boxes, GreenBot can be customized with voice. We are added a vibrator for the deaf and blind people to locate the box. From the study, we understood that 74% of deaths occurs due to the overdosage and underdosage of medicines, and old age people need someone to remain to take the tablets. So the GreenBot are the great demand in the market, and also the technology we are implemented are developing fields and that are our product won't go outdated. When we compared our product with other products and papers, we came to know that a lot of ideas are still an innovation. Every researchers were to given an alarm to take the pills on a time. We have added a lot of new innovation to this idea and thus our product outstands in the market.
There are a lot of products similar to GreenBot, but it's not widely available in the Indian market. When we compare the products available with GreenBot, our product stands uniquely. We can customize GreenBot with voice alarms in order to bring out the aesthetic nature of the same. We can also modify the size and capacity of the GreenBot according to the user needs. The efficacy of the pills is protected in GreenBot and also it is corrosion resistive. We are planning to design GreenBot in micro size, so the cell that we are going to use to power GreenBot can last up to a minimum of 2 years. Wireless transmission is one of the disciplines that we have implemented in GreenBot in order to notify the caretaker if the user has taken the pill or not. Also, we are planning to implement embedded technology by installing a mobile app to monitor and manage GreenBot.
GSM supports quad band 850 or 900, 1800, 1900 MHz. It is used to transmit voice SMS and data information with low power consumption. The five main uses of GPS is location, navigation, tracking, mapping and timing. Using GPS, we can locate user's location in emergency situation. The wireless nature of Wi-Fi module allows user to access network of any nearby location. Due to its low cost and high features, it is an ideal component for IoT. The main advantage of RTC module is that they have an arrangement of power backup which keeps the clock running even if there is a power failure. It is used to set alarm. A servo motor is a rotational or translational motor which is used to open the slot. It is highly reliable and has high acceleration and high efficiency. MSP430 has an onboard emulation for programming and debugging as well as buttons and LEDs for simple user interface. It supports wireless connection. The reason why we choose a TI component MSP430 is because it has flexible power management system, low supply voltage, easy to operate, 16 GHz working, inbuilt LED and it is inexpensive. Next we are going to see about RTC module which gives the date and time. The date and time are displayed on the device through the Bluetooth. Let us see the pairing of the device. Now we are going to see the working of IoT. When the switch is pressed, the data passed to the cloud will be 0. When it is released, it will be 1.
We have designed GreenBot to assist the elder ones to take up the pills on time. First, we have planned to design a technical assistant to take up the pills. Then we have designed a sample and iteratively modified the sample based on the consumer feedback. Now we are in the process of making the prototype of it. In future, we will test our product and launch it in the market. It is useful for the elder ones, home alone people, people having dementia, and people having busy working schedule. We will bring GrandBot to the market through sample marketing and digital marketing. Verification and validation process follows. User needs design input, design process, and design output. User needs a technical assistant to take up the pills on time. The design input is to fill the box with pills. The design process includes remaining the user by timer module and sending SMS to their close relations by GSM module when the consumer skipped the medicine. Getting pills at the required time will be the design output. We have taken our prototype to the consumer and got validated. Based on their feedback, we have planned to incorporate voice alarm instead of traditional ones, and we are also planned to design it in the micro size. And we are also going to connect LDR sensor to check if the pills are taken or not. Now we are in the process of making it.
When we consider the behavioral traits of our product, we must consider 4 attributes. They are objective, function, means, and constraint. Based on how our product satisfies these attributes, we can decide the behavioral traits of our product.